Hey, social media family, Corey Brim of Sugar Rim Bar, and in this video, I want to show you how to scale or become a mobile notary for beginners. Because look, guys, there are a lot of videos out there that go over notaries, telling you how to make $100,000. But look, I just want to show you how you start, all right? So I'm getting ready to pull up to a signature right now, and I want you guys to watch this video. I'm going to drop some jewels, give you some insight, show you how I'm able to do it, and it's another stream of income. So like I said on every video, guys, let's go! Hey guys, Corey Brim. Look, I wanted to make this video really quick about mobile notary. I know that it's just another stream of income that I do. I have a lot of streams of income that I do, but I charge people to do mobile notary. And so in my vehicle, I'm going to show you. So look, in my glove box, I keep one of my signatures, and then my notary stamp is right here. But the thing with this notary stamp, I had to get another notary stamp, and I got another signature book, because my notary stamp, so this is my new notary stamp. This one has my expiration date on it. That one didn't have my expiration date on it. And that's one of the key things that you have to have your expiration date on it. And then I also got a brand new notary book, right? I have signatures in here, I don't want to show you that. So I got a brand new ledger to keep my notaries in. So these are two things that you can pick up. I got this from Staples or Office Depot, one of those. Gotta get my mask. Gotta get my mask. You gotta be prepared on these streets. What's up? How are you? I'm living the dream. Right. Well, that's the whole, that's the whole sort of thing about it. The whole thing is being able to be mobile and come to you and making it all easy.
Yeah, it's so convenient.
Right.
To not, especially this time of year, to go and tap the bank.
Yeah, most of the stuff I've been doing is business. The thing is that people can't go, they can't get out, they can't get around.
Right.
Oh, they don't want to.
And even if you can, it's just really convenient for someone to come to you.
So,
And your prices are bad.
No, look, Sugar Rim Bar is good, and then, I'm always trying to help and give back and show people what, that we really need to. Yeah, you're involved with it. Yep, this is going to be date, time, the document type, your information, your name, then you're going to sign here and sign there.
Okay. Today is 31st, it's Halloween.
Time going back tonight.
Is it tonight or tomorrow?
Tonight. Every year, man, we have events tonight.
Additional information, address, full notary, address of individual. They're one and the same, so I'll just fill out this time.
Okay, so really quick, what I wanted to show you is just some tools that I use to do the mobile notary business. So here is my stamp. This isn't the first stamp I had, but this is my stamp, and this is my journal, which is just my log, my ledger, which I take the signatures in. Now, this stamp, the one that I ordered, I got this from Staples. All right, so once you get sworn in to be a notary, you can do that at your local courthouse. They swear you in. You get your certificate that you're a notary. You take that documentation and you send it to a place like Staples or Office Depot, and you can get your stamp made. Stamps are not that expensive. You don't have to get the most expensive stamp. What I did though with the stamps that I have is I wanted the ones where I've known notaries in the past where their ink dries up and they have to get new ones. I've had these for years, and they're like, let me show you. So the one that I use, if you can see on the inside, the ink is on the inside. If you can see, once it goes up, I don't have to worry about sort of it drying out or having to refill it. The ledger that I have, when I first started, it was just a plain ledger book. There's nothing wrong with this, okay? But as I grew and as I started doing more signatures, I just realized that this wasn't the best looking or the most professional book. You want to start taking yourself seriously. A key thing that I can sort of, if I had to give you some advice, is you want to start taking yourself seriously. So what I did is, even though this is still a great stamp, and I have other stamps because I've been doing this for a long time. So, but this stamp is a better stamp than that, a more professional stamp. Again, I got it from Office Depot or Staples, can't remember which one I got it from. And then I ordered a journal. So this journal is a whole lot better than this. Okay. So when I'm meeting clients, I'm having them sign their signatures into this journal. And if you notice in this journal, it already has everything, all the stuff filled out for me. So my clients can just sign on there. Now, I'm in one of my trucks. I have different vehicles. So in this truck, just as a backup, I keep one of my ledgers here and my stamp inside of my glove box. So I kind of keep that with me at all times, because you never know. With being a mobile notary, the whole thing is mobile. This client that I just did now, she called me about an hour ago and she said, hey, are you still doing the mobile notary thing? And I came to her house and I did it. So you kind of want to think, what can you charge, right? So this client, she's not even 10 miles away from my house. She was probably 7 miles away from me. I charged her $20. It's literally going to take me longer to make this video, edit this video, and put it and post it up on social media, YouTube, Facebook, than it is for me to actually come do the signature. And again, if you can just set up, I'm talking about beginners. Look, I know that there are things out there. I know there's signing agents out there. I know you can sign with title companies and you can make 100, 200, 300. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm just talking about, I don't see a lot of videos that go over just the beginning part, how you can just start to become a notary. And I'm not knocking anybody else's video, because sometimes when we do this, we always get these people and things where it seems like everyone's trying to be negative. I'm not doing negativity. I'm talking to the people that you want to just become and start a notary business and you don't know how to go about doing it. So the first thing I did was I went to the courthouse and became a notary. I got my stamps. Now here, I'm going to give you 5 things that you can do to get your name out there and what you need to do and what I did to grow my mobile notary business. The number one thing that I did, and the number one thing that you can do, is you can create a website or leverage that through social media. You can create a Facebook page, an Instagram page. You got to get your name out there. If no one knows that you're doing this, no one knows that you're doing this. You see how that works? You got to get out there. You got to get out of your comfort zone. You have to create a website. People have to be able to find you. The second thing that I did to sort of get my name out there is I started networking and talking to other notaries. As a beginner, it's going to seem kind of weird, and you're going to think to yourself, why would someone, if someone's a notary, you're going to think, why would they want to help me? You got to get your mind out of that thing that we've been programmed to think that everybody's our competition. You have to start dialing in. I'm a firm believer in energy. This is a totally crazy different video, but I'm a firm believer in energy. I'm a firm believer in karma. And I believe that there are people out there, even though they may be a notary, I think that if you knock on a few doors, if you reach out to a few people, they will help you. I have a friend that does this. She does title notaries. She makes anywhere from $100 to $300 per signature. But you'll be amazed at how much information she shares with me. She's a notary. I'm not competing with her. She's even sent me business sometimes because she may be doing something. And for her to go out, she's at work. She's not going to go out for $20, but if it's 5 minutes away from me, I'll go out and get that 20. Now, remember, if you can set up 5 or 6 different accounts like that, you're making $100 to $200 a day. Yeah, you're driving around and getting it, but it's just another side hustle. The third thing I would do is I would reach out to the community. You would be so amazed at how many people, if you reached out to your school, if you reached out to your church, if you reached out to your bank, if you reached out to your friends, if you reached out to veterans, there are so many things that you can do. Your service doesn't have to, it can't just solely be about the money. Do you know if you reached out to like a veteran service or a disabled or someone that wasn't mobile and you said, hey, listen, I'll give you free notary if you just cover the distance. So you may just charge them for the driving. Once you do that for someone, or you do that for a few people, they keep you in mind. So anytime that they may need a notary, they're going to think of you. Or anytime they hear, oh my gosh, I wish I knew somebody that could notarize this document for me, they'll recommend you, and then they're advertising for you for free. So reaching back and doing civic and good things in your community would be another way to get your name, to get your business, to get the word, to get the visualization, to get it out there that people know that you're doing your notary business. All right, number 4 would be to join your local chambers of commerce. Join any organization, NAACPs, any organizations that are out there that are committed to helping people or giving back. Joining them helps you get your notary business out there, because what they're going to do, you have to join, you don't have to, but join them and become a member. With your membership, they're going to get out there, Rotary clubs, they'll get out there and they will advertise for you, because they're going to tell their members about you. So with you joining that business or commerce or affiliation or activist or community organization, they're going to use you to market to their members, which will in turn drive business to you. So if you're doing all these things in a perfect storm, you're just driving more business every day, and you got other people, other foot soldiers out there working for you, spreading your name about your mobile notary business, and you didn't have to do anything. Now, my number 5 and the last thing, my top thing is, ladies and gentlemen, you got to tell everyone. You got to get out there and you have to be a cheerleader, a champion for what you do. The client that I have now, she didn't know me because I was a notary. She knew me because I have Sugar Rim Bar. But I also go on my pages. I go on my social media. I post flyers. I'll randomly post that I do this, so people know. She knew that I did it, so she connected me to that. You have got to sound the trumpet in your life to let everybody know that you're doing this. You got to start branding yourself. Don't worry about trying to get ads or trying to market the right way. You get out there and you start telling people what you do. I started this business, or even the notary business, from nothing. I get out and man, if you follow me on any of my social media platforms, I talk about my businesses every day. I talk about them every day. I'm posting more content. I'm working harder to get my name out there. I want to be everywhere, right? So you want your business to be everywhere. Get out there and start sharing information and telling people about you. Guys, look, so I hope that this video is able to help you. I'm hoping I'm able to give you some insight and to show you that look, I know people out here making videos, and I know you want to get rich quick, and I know you want to make $1 million, but you can still have a successful life. This is just supplemental income. And right now we're in the middle of a pandemic. It could be real income if you put the energy into it. What I'll do is I'll also share like a flyer that I made. You can go on Canva and make flyers. You can make flyers from your phone. There's photo grid apps that you can use where you can make your own flyer. Don't worry about it not being perfect. Don't worry about it not having the right photos or imagery, or it doesn't look right. Just get it out there. Just get it out there and learn and grow your business. If there's anything that you can take away from this video, just grow your business. If there, leave some comments down below. Do you have a notary business? What are some things or some ways that you're doing to grow and scale your notary business? What other videos would you like me to make? Would you like me to go deeper into this? Are there other videos are there other YouTubers that maybe you can comment down below if there's someone else that I can follow, or someone else that people can follow and they can learn more about the notary business? This is not my main hustle. It's just a little side income that I make. She already cashed at me, so I'm good to go. I'm sitting here making this video, but I'm about to shoot off and make some money doing something else, because I have another stream of income that I got 4 streams of income that I'm doing today. So I hope hope I was able to help you guys. Stay encouraged, stay motivated. Corey Brimmer, Sugar Rim Bar, and like I say on every video, never give up, man. I will add a link in the description down to my book, Never Give Up, down below. I'll see you guys later, man. Stay encouraged, stay motivated. Corey Brimmer, Sugar Rim Bar. You got this, man. I believe in you.